Welcome back, my Kuhastro family. I hope you all had a terrific Thanksgiving with your family and friends. I know I did, so I hope you did as well. And I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers out there. Thank you for joining the channel. And if you aren't subscribed and you're watching this, now's a great time to subscribe. So I'm going to give you a minute. Maybe not a minute, but I hope you subscribed in that little second. If you're not, hit it now. Hit subscribe down below now, so you don't miss out on the delicious meals we're cooking here on Kuhastro. But let's get into today's video, as that is what we're all here for. So now, it's a cold Saturday. So you know what? A perfect meal for this cold Saturday would be a little pineapple chicken, a Hawaiian kind of feel. So on a cold day here in November, almost December, I'm sure we all would like to be in Hawaii right now. I know I would, and I'm pretty sure you would too. So why not get a little bit feel of Hawaii with this pineapple chicken meal? So as you see right now, I am cutting a chicken. I did show you the chicken I am using. This is air chill chicken. It's a little bit better for you. Good option. So if you want a better healthy option, you should go for this one. And now as I cut the chicken, I'm going to let you listen to a little bit of music, and I will be back for the next step. So now we are going to just cut a pineapple into little chunks. So as I cut the pineapple, I'm going to let you listen to a little more music, and I'll be back for the next step. So now we are going to pour a little bit of avocado oil into our skillet like so. And if you want to see why I use avocado on the screen, make sure you go check that out after you watch this one, so you can see why I use avocado oil. But let's move on. So now as you see, we are going to put our chicken into the skillet. And now we are going to just cook this until it is nice and like a brownish looking color. So again, as I stir, enjoy a little bit of music. If you want, feel free to just skip this part to the next part, but if not, enjoy some music as you cook your chicken. So it is now time we pour our sauces onto our chicken. So we are going to pour some soy sauce and some honey on here. If you want to see exactly how much, check out the description below to see how much of each I am pouring on here. I like to use these little measuring cups. They make it very, very easy to use. Now, as you see, we take our pineapple. We're going to just put it right on top. We are going to also add our rice in here. And then I like to put a little bit of the pineapple juice that is left in the bottom of the carton that your pineapple comes in. It gives a little more flavor. We all like that flavor. We're all about that flavor here on Kuhastro. So as you see, I'm going to do my favorite thing. Stir, stir, stir. So as I just stir a little bit, I'll let you listen to a little bit more music before I show you the final product. So enjoy. So here you have it, your final product. A delicious Hawaiian themed pineapple chicken with rice on this cold Saturday, so you can pretend you are in Hawaii. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you smash that like button. And I will see you next time here on Kuha Show. Enjoy and schmarch nego.